Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to my channel. We are currently headed into the forest for some nature photography. Since no one else is going to be out here, it's perfect. Okay, so we are now in the woods. Yeah, it's pretty nice out here. I want to get like a shot of just like down this trail. I think it'll look pretty cool. Those look pretty cool. I think I got some bangers there. Let's continue and see what happens. What do you guys think about nature photography? Because I have 100 acres here and I haven't actually explored a whole lot of it in my opinion. So if you guys enjoy the video, let me know in the comments if you guys want to see more. We have made it to the end of the trail, but we have this nice view of the sky. It's very nice. So yeah, maybe we can get a nice landscape of the sky. Well, that is it for this week's video. If you liked it, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.